各位线上的朋友，大家好，欢迎来到Basler网络研讨会。我是今天的主持人 Peggy， 来自Basler业务部。今天是Basler在2021年第5场网络研讨会，是关于 CoaXPress 2.0 最新产品应用的解说。我们邀请到Basler德国总部负责 CoaXPress 系列的产品经理 Thomas Carl 带领各位进行一趟 CoaXPress 星际旅程。为了确保航行过程中舒适稳定，我们采预录模式加上中文字幕，希望能帮助各位尽情浏览沿途风光。Thomas 将介绍完整 Basler CoaXPress Portfolio， 我们将深入了解 Boost 系列相机、CoaXPress Interface Card 以及相关配件，一起了解如何打造您的视觉系统。在简报告一段落时，还有问答直播时间，将由台湾业务 Sales Manager Herman Lee 来针对各位手上的问题带来最及时的解答。我们先把时间交给 Herman。
大家好，我是Basler Herman，欢迎各位来参加今天的网络研讨会。今天的研讨会刚刚Peggy 有提到是会有我们那个德国的 Product Manager Thomas 他用预录的方式播出。不过在会后会有一个时段是做 Live 的Q&A 的时段，那会由我这边来负责。我想我们就不要浪费太多时间，就直接进入到那个网络研讨会的内容。那谢谢各位。Becky。
好，谢谢 Herman。那在研讨会开始前，请您留意以下几点。研讨会进行中，您的麦克风将全程静音。如果您有任何问题，请随时利用主控面板传送讯息给我们，我们会在简报后的问答时间为您解答。所有的问题将只有Basler团队可以看到，欢迎踊跃提问。在研讨会结束后，您的画面将自动跳出意见调查表，邀请您帮我们填写，我们会抽出几名幸运的观众，送上价值300元的超商礼券。接下来，我们的探索旅程即将开始。
Hello everybody, thank you for joining our webcast. My name is Thomas Carroll and I'm a product manager at Basler. I will share with you the latest product insights about our CoaXPress Galaxy. Furthermore, I will explain how you can benefit from our CoaXPress 2.0 vision components with more performance and less complexity. So we have the perfect solution for you. Now it's your chance to realize sophisticated vision systems with high frame rate and high resolution for your demanding applications. With our CXP12 components, we reduce the complexity in your image processing system. Through our high quality standards and intensive testing, we guarantee a smooth operation of all hardware and software components. With these high Basler standards, you can rely on your vision components as well and on our long experience in the computer vision industry. Welcome to our CoaXPress Galaxy. With us you will find precisely coordinated hardware and software components. Within our CoaXPress Galaxy, you can find optics with different focal lengths, cameras with multi-channel CXP12 outputs and with the latest CMOS global shutter sensors. As well multi-channel interface cards for multi-camera systems, or accessories like cables with different lengths, including I/O cables. And of course our famous Pylon SDK. And here it comes, the SDK for camera and interface card for a most convenient integration into your vision system. As a vision solution provider, we offer all components out of one hand. For you that means only one-stop shopping. Trust our more than 30 years of experience in computer vision and let us take your vision system into a new galaxy. Now I would like to share more insights about the CoaXPress interface. CoaXPress is in the machine vision standard known for high data rates. Increasing the data throughput rates is one of the key trends for industrial image processing in markets like factory automation or medical. This interface is made for sophisticated applications. CoaXPress has been an established standard in image processing for more than 10 years and shows the great success of this interface. Over the years, further developments led to various improvements to the CoaXPress standard. As an active member of the CoaXPress Vision Standard Group, Basler continues to drive innovations and believes in the future of this interface. The latest release of the CoaXPress standard in 2020 is the perfect replacement for applications, for example, where Camera Link or CoaXPress standard are still in use. All our vision components are meant to be together. What does it mean? While choosing from our portfolio, we provide you with highest flexibility in selecting the right components. As already mentioned, the camera and interface cards are running together in our famous Pylon SDK. For you, this means an easy and simple integration into your application. In addition, you will make use of the full range of CoaXPress 2.0 functionality and features. Benefit from Basler as a strong, experienced partner with well-known quality standards and competitive pricing. Let's make use of the advantages of CXP12. With us, you will have minimum efforts in selecting, purchasing, and integrating all vision components. Before I show you more product details, I would like to explain the 4 major improvements of the CoaXPress standard. Very high bandwidth and maximizing throughput. CoaXPress now represents one of the fastest interface technology in industrial image processing, with a maximum of 12.5 gigabit per channel. Even with these data rates, a single CoaXPress cable can be used as a power supply. High resolution sensors with a high frame rate can be used with these high data volumes. Scalability of up to 50 gigabit per second is possible, and you can reach an even higher bandwidth while using multiple interface cards. Also new within the CoaXPress 2.0 is the standardization of one plug type, the micro BNC or HDBNC plug. It combines the advantages of the small size of the DIN connector with the secure bayonet closure of the BNC plug. The standardization reduced the complexity of the cable selection and enabled simpler processing in the system. Another improvement is the smooth software integration. Ensuring compatibility of the hardware devices with GenTL is the third innovation. It greatly simplifies the integration of various cameras and frame grabbers into the common image processing libraries. This new CoaXPress 2.0 feature allows an integration like a plug-and-play concept. The fourth improvement is mostly effective in the background. Greater selection and declining prices in the electronic components required for data transmission have been evident for some time. New developments can be found in transceivers as well as within the FPGAs. By now, these components are offered by multiple manufacturers and have a better price-performance ratio than before. They ensure improved long-term availability of the various components. Another point to have a cost-optimized vision system is the new generation of CMOS sensors. Furthermore, you also have improvements because of the need of less cables with even higher bandwidth in your vision system. These benefits will lift your vision system into a new level of performance. So let's benefit from us. And now I will move on and show you what exciting CoaXPress hardware products we have in our portfolio. So let's start with our Boost camera family. Here you can see our different CoaXPress camera models with sensors from Sony and on semiconductor. The series has a unified camera platform. This allows us to develop the camera with standard electronic components, and those offer you the performance camera with an excellent price-performance ratio. You can choose from different bandwidth and image sensor options. The camera platform also has a unified mounting and housing concept. In addition, you also can benefit from Basler's comprehensive feature set, such as multiple ROI or the vignetting feature. Further pre-processing algorithms are also available. All our cameras are 100% tested and calibrated to meet the high demands in industrial image processing. Our CoaXPress 2.0 cameras portfolio is constantly growing. We currently have 16 different Boost models in our portfolio. The cameras are equipped with 1 or 2 CXP12 channels, depending on the integrated CMOS sensor. CMOS global shutter sensors with up to 45 megapixel and frame rates of up to 150 frames per second at the maximum resolutions are available. The latest sensor release includes Sony PreGis S sensors. The backside illuminated global shutter sensors deliver images with a very high dynamic range, impressive with a low read noise and high frame rates. With all different improvements of the EMVA data, the Sony sensors continue their success. For our Boost camera family, we have integrated the fast sensors of this new sensor generation. With the combination of CXP12 and a 2-channel CoaXPress camera, we use the full sensor performance in terms of speed and resolution. This means that you can reach up to 150 frames at a resolution of 60 megapixel with the IMX532. The IMX531 is a square sensor with a resolution of 20 megapixel. It reached an outstanding frame rate of approximately 100 frames per second. There's also another sensor with 24 megapixel, the IMX530. This sensor is available with the same supported frame rate. Benefit from small pixel size and the possibility to use C-mount lenses. If you have an application where you need to inspect very small parts, or if you require a large field of view with high accuracy, we have a camera for you. The new sensor family from On Semiconductor. The XGS sensors are a perfect fit to a broad range of different applications. With excellent QA data, they are also the perfect successor of older high-resolution CCD sensors. It is an excellent way to reduce system complexity by using fewer cables and also less cameras in the vision system. Therefore, the boost camera with XGS sensors are equipped with one CXP channel. The XGS models start at 20 megapixel square sensor. The 32 megapixel sensor has a ratio of 16:9, and the highest resolution is a 45 megapixel. And with this sensor, you can cover a large field of view with high accuracy. So see the difference with these high resolution sensors. Let me now show you the major hardware key facts of the boost camera and explain the optimized hardware design. There's a variety of mounting options on the front and the sides of the camera. This enables you to mount the camera according to your needs. The camera impresses with the compact size of 80 by 80 by 45 millimeter. On the back of the camera, you find further key elements. You can use the M8 6-pin I/O connector for hardware triggering and also for optional power supply. Furthermore, you can find the robust and industrial-proven micro BNC connector on the back side of the camera. As mentioned before, the camera is available with 1 or 2 channels, depending on the sensor. The camera can also be powered via the micro BNC connector, so-called Power over CoaXPress. The status LEDs indicate when the camera is in use. The camera is made of aluminium. This results in an efficient weight, very good temperature management in the camera, and precise manufacturing. You can also benefit from our flexible mounting concept for optics. This is your easiest option to source the best suitable lens for your application. That means you are able to connect C, F and M42 mounts to the camera. Now I would like to show you our current sensor portfolio on the boost and also a little sneak preview on what you can look forward to. This graph shows the correlation between frame rate and resolutions. The first sensor on our CoaXPress camera were Sony IMX253 and 255. These are 9 and 12 megapixel sensors. Shortly followed by the sensors from ON Semiconductor with the XGS sensor family from 20 up to 45 megapixel. Now we have launched the new boost camera models with 2 CoaXPress channels to provide the maximum performance of the latest Sony PreGS S sensors. You will see many more products on this camera platform. At the beginning of next year, we will complete the portfolio of the PreGS S sensors. Then the camera will also be available with resolution from 5 to 12 megapixel with frame rates of almost up to 300 frames per second at full resolution. So stay tuned what's coming next and be sure we have many more product ideas in development. The CoaXPress interface is already in use in many different industries. Now I just want to highlight few vertical markets. For example, factory automation is the leading industry in using CoaXPress. Like automated optical inspection or solder path inspection systems make use of high frame rates and resolutions. Flat panel display inspection benefit from high accuracy. Another vertical market is agriculture. For example, for autonomous farm robots, where very low latency is needed. Here is CoaXPress a great fit. Also in medical and life science, CoaXPress is a very common interface. For example, in lab automation, as well as for high-end or surgical microscopy. ITS and the automotive industry also require high frame rates for inspection at a fast pace. With other interfaces, customers are often already at the bandwidth limit. Last example is the world of different logistics applications, like packaging handling or OCR and barcode scanning. These applications also require high-resolution sensors. These vertical markets are only a small selection of potential industry. For the latest CXP12 technology, I'm sure this interface also fits into your application. Now it's time to show you the other main important product in our CXP12 galaxy. Our powerful acquisition cards are needed for sophisticated machine vision systems. But what are the functions and the purpose to use such simplified frame grabber? One key fact is the special synchronization functions of a frame grabber and the transmission of high-resolution images at a very high frame rates in real time. A frame grabber manages the image data that is uploaded from the camera into the host PC's memory. The frame grabber avoids CPU overload due to image transfer operations. That means it is keeping the CPU free for other image processing tasks, and so the CPU load stays very low and it is available for other tasks. Furthermore, it can also handle additional onboarding pre-processing image data. As you can see on the images, the Basler interface cards are available with 1, 2 or 4 CoaXPress channels. That keeps you very flexible and you can optimize your vision system based on how many cameras are in use. That means you only have to use the required number of CoaXPress channels. This again leads to a lower system cost. With our CoaXPress products, applications with frame grabbers are no longer complex. We have taken the implementation of the camera and frame grabber to a new level of simplicity, with an important key, the software development kit. By installing our Pylon camera software suite, only one SDK is needed for camera and frame grabber. This keeps the whole image processing task very simple and easy. The acquisition cards are only compatible with our 1 and 2 channel boost cameras. By purchasing cameras and frame grabbers together, you also receive a significant price advantage. Now let me share the most important features of the interface card with you. All boards are equipped with the same micro-sub connector for hardware triggering. That makes it very simple while choosing and configuring the same cable where multiple interface cards are in use. On the board and on the front bracket of the interface cards are different status LEDs available. On the back side is a power supply for using power over CoaXPress. The 1 and 2 channel interface cards are available with passive cooling. The 4th channel interface card is equipped with a cooling fan. To transport the high data volumes fast and efficiently into the host PC, all 3 interface cards have a PCI Express Gen 3 connector. And all interface cards are running under Pylon as already mentioned earlier. This optimization of the hardware makes it one of the best frame grabber in the machine vision market in terms of price and performance. Now I would like to briefly show you again what great flexibility we offer with our CoaXPress solution. The flexibility is enormously important to set up an optimal image processing system. The interface cards are supporting multiple configurations. If you require only one camera for your vision system, you only choose the single configuration. With the dual configuration, you can connect 2 cameras with the interface cards. With the triple configuration, you can connect, for example, 1 2-channel and 2 1-channel CoaXPress cameras to the interface cards. The maximum performance can be reached when connecting up to 4 cameras to one interface card. Each individual camera can be used and configured in our Pylon tool. And that is not all. You can even use a mix of monochrome and color camera with one interface card. Let me now leave some words on our Pylon camera suite. Reliable software makes a difference in image processing. Pylon is the right choice to integrate Basler cameras. It consists of reliable, certified drivers for all kinds of camera interfaces, a powerful and easy programming interface, and a comprehensive set of tools for camera configuration. This powerful toolset is key when acquiring the best image out of your Basler cameras. Benefit from vignetting correction, sharpness indicator, bandwidth manager, and many more features. The software is easy to learn and you can achieve fast results. With the easy-to-learn Pylon APIs and context-related developer documentation, even Pylon beginners can reach great results very quickly. The simple structure of the Pylon APIs leads to fast development results, leaving the developers more time for other important tasks. Basler Pylon Camera's software suite includes APIs, for example, for C++, C#, C, or Java. We are offering certified drivers and reliable performance. Tried and trusted thousands of times, certified, and the performance speak for the stability of the Pylon drivers, which have been optimized continuously for many years. In comparison studies, Pylon demonstrated an outstanding performance with regard to latency and jitter, making Pylon suitable for stable image acquisition even in real-time applications. To summarize the three major components of our Pylon tool. Pylon SDK for most common programming languages. The Pylon viewer for an easy camera evaluation and set the first parameters. And also stable and certified drivers for Windows, Linux, macOS and Android, and easy interfacing via GennyCam or GenTL. Thanks to the usage of only one SDK, the implementation of an image processing system with a camera and frame grabber is no longer complex. With the just described features of Pylon, you can use the boost cameras and our interface cards together in our software tool. This guarantees a simple and uncomplicated installation and setup of all hardware components in the vision system. You can save a lot of time and cost for additional software. With our products, you will receive a plug-and-play solution with very low integration efforts. But what is a vision system without the perfect lens? Combined with the camera and lighting, lenses are crucial in getting the best image quality possible. We offer the right lens for every Basler Boost camera. When choosing the right lens, the balance between the required image performance and the price is of real interest. For our Boost camera series, we offer C-mount lenses, even for Sony's high-resolution sensors of 24 megapixel. Also for high-resolution sensors from ON Semiconductor, we offer suitable F-mount lenses for the resolution of 45 megapixel. These lenses are covering all common ranges of different focal lengths, depending on your requirements like the field of view or the working distance to the inspected object. All of the lenses we offer go through an intense quality control process to ensure our known Basler quality standards. Also, our lenses portfolio will be expanded in the future. Cables. This part of the vision system should not be underestimated. Cables also play an important role in your vision system. They handle not only the data transmission and control task, but also supply power for the camera. Data cables must first and foremost deliver flawless image data, while I/O cables are focused on the precise control of the camera or system. Due to the different properties of interfaces, the camera selection directly influences the maximum possible cable length and transferred data volume. Through cooperation with cable manufacturer, Basler helps to advance technical developments and improvements. In addition to offering a cost-optimized extensive portfolio, Basler makes sure its products comply with international standards and avoid EMC and other interferences. Basler provides a comprehensive cable portfolio for all popular Basler cameras interfaces. Besides of the I/O cables for triggering or powering the camera, we also offer different types of CoaXPress cables. The CoaXPress cables have HDBaNC connector on both ends. The HDBaNC connector is a further improvement on the latest CoaXPress standards. These connector types offer a robust and reliable image transfer in your vision system. The standard CXP cables are available in the length of 3, 5 and 10 meters. Besides of the standard cables, we are also offering direct-chain cables in the same cable length. The cables are characterized by an extremely high flexibility and excellent bending radius. This is needed in vision systems where the components are moving. In this webcast, I talked about all important components for a machine vision system. Now I would like to summarize it for you once again. But let me start from the beginning of a vision system. For a vision system, you need lenses, which supports the resolution of the camera sensor. The camera is the key component of the entire vision system. The camera is connected to the interface card with adequate cables. The interface card is installed in the host PC, and one software SDK is needed for the entire image processing. Optionally, you may need additional accessories such as trigger cables or lens mount adapters to complete the whole vision system. If you are interested in an evaluation of our CoaXPress 2.0 components, we have a simple solution for you. The Basler CXP12 evaluation kit offers you everything you need for an optimal time and cost-saving test phase of your future image processing system. You receive a boost camera with the suitable interface cards. The evaluation kit also includes a CXP data cable, also suitable for power over CoaXPress, an I/O cable for triggering or for external power supply of the camera. 2 heatsinks for the test phase on your desk, and a C and F mount lens adapter is also included. This gives you all the components you need for an easy test and integration phase. We as a vision solution provider offer you all components from hardware to software for a harmonized vision system. So let's benefit from our CXP12 Galaxy. The camera with the latest CMOS global shutter technology and with a comprehensive feature set. The portfolio is rounded off by a wide range of different sensors, suitable for application with high resolution and for applications with high frame rates. Camera and multi-channel interface cards are a perfect team for demanding application. Together with our powerful Pylon software development kit, a straightforward integration in your vision system is possible. Benefit from buying several components in a bundle and get a price advantage as well. So it was a pleasure to share with you the latest information about our CoaXPress 2.0 products. Convince yourself at our high quality standard and explore our Basler CXP12 Galaxy. Thank you very much for watching. Please stay tuned and ask us your questions.
好的，好，欢迎各位回来直播现场，感谢 Thomas 带领我们翱翔 CoaXPress 新纪。那接下来是问答时间，我们请Herman来帮我们回答现场的问题。那第一题，请问Basler是否有推出低于500万画素解析度的更高相机？
其实像跟刚刚他们在影片中他们是有提到的哈，明年初我们预计会有第4代Sony Sensor IMX537、536跟535会推出来。那比较明确的时间大概是会在2022年的第2季。那同时间的话，另外一个 Sensor IMX421， 280万画素400张的 Sensor 也会在同时间推出。所以这个答案是我们会陆陆续续的，Basler会陆陆续续推出，在2022年推出更多不同 sensor 的产品。谢谢。
好的，谢谢。好的，谢谢Herman。那下一题是，请问未来会推出 Full Channel 4通道的 CoaXPress 2.0 相机吗？
以目前我们的计划，大概我们会在Basler会在明年第4季会有计划推出来4个 channel 的 CoaXPress 相机。其实以这样的计划，其实各位可以看到Basler一直往大面阵跟高速的方向在移动。不过因为时间因为是明年第4季的事情啦，那时间还长，所以我目前还没有办法跟各位分享更多的资讯。如果说您对这方面的产品有兴趣的话，那欢迎请联系我。那我会如果有进一步的消息了，我们都会跟你做这样产品的分享。Becky。
好，谢谢Herman。那接下来一题是，请问Basler如何看待 10GE 万兆网技术在机器视觉行业的前景？如果拿 10GE 和 CoaXPress 2.0 对比，怎么看 CPU 的负载呢？
其实现在 10GE 最主要最大的问题还是在它会发热跟过热跟CPU 负载会比较高。如果是在 10GE 的话，如果是你用的是标准的那种网卡的话，那当然它的负载是很高，会比较高的负载啦。不过现在市面上有人推出来就是 10GE 的一个影像截取卡，那它可以在那个截取卡里面就先做一些封包的处理，那这样子可以去减少 CPU 的 loading。不过相对来讲的话，因为我们Basler目前还是以 CoaXPress 为主，因为以 CoaXPress 还是目前的技术还是比较成熟一点，相对于 10GE 来讲。那另外的话 CoaXPress 的另外一个优势是它在那个 cable 线材的数量，因为可以透过那个数据传输电源，还有一些那个 I/O 都可以使用同一条 CoaXPress 的线材。那在 10GE 的话，除非说你是使用 software trigger， 不然的话你还是需要另外的那个 I/O 线。那另外 CoaXPress 的一个优势是，其实一个通道的 CoaXPress 就有 12.5G 的频宽。那我们刚刚有提到Basler预计会推出4个通道的 CoaXPress， 那我们这样的频宽就是12.5乘4，这样的频宽会比 10GE 的一个通道频宽会高出更多。Becky。
好，谢谢Herman。那接下来一题是 Boost 相机会出现过热的情况吗？请问Basler采取哪些的措施来预防？
OK， 其实Basler在之前的我们主力产品 SU、SL 跟 S2 相机上面就已经配置了一个温度感应器 temperature sensor。那你可以透过排龙去取得这个相机内部温度的资料。同样的Boost 也配备了这样的功能。所以可以，如果说你的现场环境是一个比较恶劣的环境的话，会造成说相机的温度会升高。那我们会建议用这样的功能，利用排龙或者你自己写完进到我们相机里面去取得这个温度的资料，然后来决定说是不是你的降温的功能要开始启动。另外从另外一个方向来讲的话，其实Basler在 Basler相机在生产跟测试当中，我们的相机都是在差不多环境温度在50度的环境下面做测试。当然Boost CoaXPress 是一个比较 high power 的相机，它一定会有热的问题。那不过各位可以放心的是，Basler 所有的相机都经过我们的测试，我们也都做过很好的散热功能，所以这方面的话，各位可以放心使用。Thank you。
好的，那下一题是 Boost 彩色相机需要连接双通道 CoaXPress 2.0 吗？
你再讲一次好吗？你再问一次好吗
？Boost 好的 ，Boost 彩色相机需要连接双通道 CoaXPress 2.0 吗？
彩色相机需要连接双通道 2.0 吗？其实这个还是要看说相机的你的资料传输量。如果说你的资料传输量是超过 12.5G， 不管是彩色或黑白，你都需要双通道。如果说你的资料传输量是低于 12.5G 的话，那不管是彩色或黑白都只需要一个通道，就是单 channel 输出。OK， 好 ，Becky。
下一题，更高频宽会影响线材长度吗？最大线材会受数据传输速率的影响吗？那电源要求呢？
所以OK， 如果以 CoaXPress 的 CoaXPress 界面来讲的话，其实传输距离或者说线材长度会随着频宽的增加而减少。那比方说你像 CXP1 CoaXPress 1它的传输频宽是 1.25G 它的传输距离可以到100米。那像 CXP6 跟 CXP12 的话，一个是6.5G 嘛，一个是 12.5G， 那这样的传输速度就只能大概到40米，最长的传输速度就到40米。电源来说的话，我想透过Power over CoaXPress 要传输40米，目前我们还是没有这样的经验呐。如果说有疑虑，会担心 Power over CoaXPress 会在电源传输会有问题的话，我们还是在Basler相机还是提供外接电源的功能。好 ，Becky。
好，谢谢Herman。那下一题是 Boost 相机工作中的温度范围是什么
？OK， 其实Basler相机的工作温度大概都是在我们的 standard 标准规范的工作温度是在0到50度。我记得湿度好像应该是在20到80% 吧。其实刚刚有提到了哈，因为我Basler相机里面都有一些做过特别的一些热的散热的一些措施，所以然后各位应该也都知道Basler相机都带的是金属外壳，所以我们大概都是用金属外壳在散热。那这个热的问题的话，还是请各位不需要担心Basler相机的过热问题。Becky。
好的，那下一个问题，从Basler采购所有视觉元件的好处是什么？除了相机和 Interface 卡、界面卡，采购Basler线材和镜头最主要的优势在哪里
？OK。其实从单一采购来讲，最主要的优势还是在简化 采购的流程了。也许如果说客户你那边需要相机镜头cable 或是人规本板卡，我Basler可以提供一站式的服务，我们可以提供所有的东西，那就不采购那边就不需要开5、6张订单出去，那你只要开一张订单给我就可以了。那第二个优势的话，我想Basler贩售的所有视觉配件，那都经过我们Basler的测试。这个测试包含了component 的单独的测试跟相机的整合，所以我们这样子的整合，我们可以确保它的可以达到最好的 performance， 最好的效果。第三个当然就是价格啦。我们透过这样的bundle的方式，我想我们可以提供一个比较优惠的价格给各位。Thank you。
好，谢谢。下一题 ，CoaXPress 线材的标准传输距离是40公尺，那还可以比40公尺更长吗？
以 CoaXPress 6跟 CoaXPress 12来讲，标准长度是40米，没有错。如果说你要再长一点的话，我们建议用现在应该有那个 CoaXPress repeater， 可以用 repeater 去延伸长度，或者说使用那个 fiber 跟光纤来延长长度。Thank you。
好，最新的 Pylon 版本号是多少？
好，目前我知道的好像是 6.2.0 吧。那预计下个月是1月或12月会 release 6.3.0， 这是我知道的。Thank you。
好的，下一题是我想请问关于 4 channel 影像截取卡的问题。那 Python 可以配置Basler的4 channel 影像截取卡吗？如果不能 ，Basler 未来关于影像截取卡软体的计划是什么
？Becky， 你可以再念一次吗？Python。
抱歉，是 Pylon 可以配置Basler的4通道影像截取卡吗？如果不能的话，未来关于影像截取卡软体的计划是什么
？OK， 各位刚在影片里面可以看到，我们有推出就搭配CoaXPress 相机有推出Basler自己的一张 interface 卡。那这个 interface 卡有1个 channel、2个 channel 跟4个 channel。以 interface 卡来讲的话，这个是由 Pylon support， 你可以从 Pylon 来做取向跟做设定。另外的话，我们Basler 同时也推出了一个比较高阶的影像截取卡。这个影像截取卡叫 ImageWorks。这个是ImageWorks 的话就没有办法用 Pylon 来 support 了。这个 ImageWorks 就必须要用到以前 Silicon Software 的 runtime 来支援。未来的话，我们有计划将所有的 frame grabber， 就是Silicon Software 的 frame grabber 全部纳到 Pylon 里面，完全由 Pylon 来 support。好的，那 Becky。
好，下一题，影像截取卡的预处理功能有哪些？
影像截取卡的预处理功能，我就知道是比方预处理功能，在预处理功能的话，在 ImageWorks 里面有 deburring， 然后还有FFC， 就是那个 Preview Correction， 那还有一个是 Stitching 跟JPEG 的 Compression。如果说是processing 的话，就是整个 真的是那个影像处理功能的话，我们在 eMarks 里面还有包含了一些 deep learning 的功能在。Becky。
好的，那刚才讲到Basler的 CoaXPress 2.0 界面卡只能与 Boost 相机搭配使用，那么Basler是否有可以搭配其他品牌相机的影像截取卡？它们的区别是什么？
搭配别的相机的相机卡，我们刚提到很多eMarks，其实 eMarks 就是不只是搭配Basler相机，然后也可以搭配其他厂牌的相机。不过如果说刚我们也提到很多Basler 的 interface 卡，那 interface 卡就只是单纯的 support Basler 的 CoaXPress camera。就没有办法用到第三方的相机上面去了。同样的啦我目前的Boost CoaXPress camera 也可以用其他厂牌的 brand 规格来 support。Becky。
好的，那接下来一题是 CoaXPress 有支持热插拔吗？
其实 CoaXPress 标准以 CoaXPress 的标准是有支持热插拔的。当我们 Basler 的 CoaXPress Boost 相机是完全符合那个 CoaXPress 2.0 的 standard， 所以我们的相机也支持热插拔的功能。那其实所谓的热插拔，当然它并不热插拔的所谓的热插拔就是不会去影响到相机本身的我去对面照相机嘛。可是如果说你在热插拔之后，可能还是要用 Python 跟自己写的软体去做就再做驱动。Becky。
好的，那接下来一题是，如果将双通道相机的频宽设定在单通道的频宽范围内，影像数据会透过单个通道传输，还是多个通道传输呢
？OK， 对不起，你可以再念一次吗？
好的，如果将双通道two channel camera 的频宽设定在 one channel 频宽范围内，影像数据会透过单个 channel 传输还是多个 channel 传输呢
？OK， 如果我的理解正确，对这个问题理解正确的话，你应该是想要把原本比较大资料量比较大的相机，一的是说ROI 或者是限制那个frame rate， 把它限制在12.5G 以下。那如果是这样的话，当然这个就要看说你是接两条线两个 channel， 还是你是接一个 channel。如果是接一个 channel 的话，这是 OK 的，就透过一个 channel， 它是完整，因为资料量已经在 12.5G 以下了，所以它可以透过一个 channel 做传输。如果说你还是接了两个 channel， 用两条线进两个 channel 的话，那这个 12.5G 会被 share 到两个 channel， 会被 share 到两个 channel 来做传输。那我不知道这样的答复是不是是不是有符合这个问题？是不是有回应到这个问题？好 ，Becky。
好，谢谢Herman。那因为时间的关系，那其他朋友的提问我们会在会后个别以 email 为您答复。那谢谢Herman，也感谢各位热情的提问。我们研讨会接近尾声了，感谢各位聆听，也谢谢Thomas 与Herman让我们有满满的收获。 接下来我们会持续举办各式主题的网络研讨会，欢迎透过画面左方的 QR Code 订阅我们的电子报，也可以透过右方的 LINE QR Code 加入我们 LINE 官方账号，随时掌握Basler研讨会资讯与最新产品动态。稍后研讨会结束后将自动跳出意见调查表，请记得填写。我们会抽出几名观众送上价值300元的超商礼券。如果还有问题，对我们感兴趣的朋友，请在留下问题与回馈的同时，也留下您的电话及公司 email， 我们稍后会与您联络。稍晚我们也将主动寄送本次研讨会影片连结到您的信箱，让您未来可以随时重听。感谢您的参与，并祝您中奖。我们下次见，拜拜。
拜拜。